everyone, welcome back to No Place Like Home. And today we're going to do something really special. I'm going to show y'all, I did a shopping haul. I'm going to redo my bathroom. So, first of all, I'm going to show y'all my curtains. I got these from TJ Maxx. And they was only they had them on sale for $10. I could refuse it. And I wanted the 96 lint because I wanted to go from my top to the bottom of the floor. And I think these is going to be perfect for that. And I also got this little basin and this little plant here from TJ Maxx. So I'm going to use it. And I got these towels here. My colors is going to be gray, white, and maybe a little dab of another color, but mostly it's going to be gray and white. And I got these towels here. I got these from Ross. They was I think the little ones were like $1.99. And the big ones were like, let me find a price. What was like $6.99. So I'm going to decorate with these. I just love these colors. They are so beautiful. So we're going to do these colors here. And also from Ross, I got this pretty flower here. It's going to be beautiful. I can't wait to decorate y'all. And I got these from a thrift store. And these is from Hobby Lobby. Each one of them was like $29, and it was 4-piece set. And I got it for $29 for the whole 4-piece set. And I think that was a good buy. So I'm gonna use these in my bathroom. Also, it comes with a tray. Isn't that beautiful? And then it comes with a clock that goes with it also. I think they're all is beautiful, y'all. I can't wait to decorate with these. And then I got these candles also from a thrift store. I think they are real beautiful. I think one of them is a light. I think both of them is a light silver with my silver decor. And then at Ross, I found these silver too. All of my decor is, like I say, it's gonna be kind of like silver and white. But and I also gonna be decorated with this little table here. Then I got a little basket. It's gonna go in it. I think it's so cute. It's gonna go in it. I'm gonna put some little stuff off in there too. I got these rugs here from this store called DD. It's gonna go on my floor. And these curtains here are gonna also go in my bathroom also. It's gonna go with the other set that I showed you in the beginning. So, okay, so there you have it. These are all the things that I'm gonna use on my next video renovation. And I hope y'all have a blessed day. I hope y'all have a safe day. Y'all be safe out there. And we'll see y'all in the next video that's coming up soon. Okay, I'm going to say bye-bye.